This project is brought to you by the DextersLab. The system comprises a capacitor bank that you just saw the picture of, a metallic railing holding two bare wires insulated from each other and the frame itself. The mechanism is remotely engaged. Once engaged, a LED flashes on the top of the box. A highly sensitive, quick response time and a low current MCB is also installed. When ready, a neon lamp starts glowing. And if this was the rodent, no more. The breaker trips as part of the protection mechanism and the machine can be disarmed.